Did you know by 2030, 50% of research papers will lose their URLs? Every 30 seconds, a web page disappears forever. But one number makes research immortal. Welcome to Library Facts. Today, we're cracking open the secret code that saves research from extinction, the DOI. 94% of scientific papers now use DOIs. Without them, 50% of research links break within 10 years. What is DOI? A DOI, digital object identifier, is a permanent ID card for any digital object, papers, datasets, even memes. Like your passport number never changes, a DOI stays the same forever, even if the web page moves. This isn't some random idea. It's an international standard backed by the ISO. Microscope view of a DOI. 10.1000/XYZ123. Let's dissect this. 10 equals directory, 1000 equals publisher, XYZ123 equals unique item ID. Born in 1997, the first DOI was assigned in 2000 to a quantum physics paper. But how does it actually work? Let's hack into the DOI matrix. DOIs run on the handle system, a global database with 6 backup layers so it never dies. A URL is like a temporary address, but a DOI is a permanent GPS coordinate. How to register? Step 1. Publish a paper. Step 2. Pay $1 to $2. Step 3. Get a lifelong DOI. Paste any DOI here, and boom! You've got the paper. Even if the publisher's site crashes. Every DOI stores title, authors, keywords, funding sources, even social media shares. Researchers can pull thousands of DOIs per second using the free API. Now, just scan a paper's DOI QR code to instantly access it. Who owns which prefixes? 10.1000 equals Springer, 10.1016 equals Elsevier, 10.1038 equals Nature. DOI versus other IDs? ISBN equals just books, ISSN equals just journals, DOI equals everything. Papers with DOIs get 40% more citations because they're easier to find. DOIs help catch 92% of plagiarism cases by tracing exact sources. No DOI. Many funders reject your proposal. Track your paper's impact beyond citations, tweets, Wikipedia mentions, even podcasts. Now even conference posters and preprints get DOIs. DOIs aren't just for papers, they're on videos, podcasts, 3D models. Artists use DOIs to protect their work forever. Who dominates DOIs? United States USA, 48% European Union EU, 32% India, 3% but growing fast. By 2040, DOIs could be VR time capsules for research. Coming in 2025, DOI 2.0 blockchain powered. Real-world impact. 2000, 1,000 DOIs, 2010, 10 million DOIs, 2023, 300 plus million DOIs. Indian adopters, CSVR, IITs, AIMS, ISRO. Papers with DOIs get 40% more citations, 3x downloads, 2x media coverage. DOIs catch 92% paper fraud, 85% data manipulation. Crossref is the most widely used agency. It assigns DOIs to academic journal articles, books, and conference papers published by scholarly publishers. DataCite assigns DOIs to datasets, images, videos, and software created by researchers and institutions. When a publisher registers a new item with a registration agency, they submit its metadata and assign it a unique DOI. DOI metadata includes title, author, publisher, publication year, URL, type of document. Most academic journals now require authors to cite sources using DOI, especially for digital articles and publications. Instead of writing long URLs, researchers add a DOI at the end of a citation, such as Smith J. 2020. Digital Research. DOI 10.1234/ABC123. APA style recommends using DOI in references when available, formatted as a hyperlink. https://doi.org/10.1234/example. MLA 9th edition also supports DOI, preferably in the format DOI 10.1234/example. Chicago style uses DOI like this. Author title year. https://doi.org/10.xxx/xxx. Crossref, established in 2000, provides DOIs for more than 150 million scholarly content items and works with over 19,000 publishers. DataCite focuses on non-textual scholarly content like datasets. It helps promote reproducible research through proper data citation. Medra assigns DOIs in multilingual environments and supports publishers across Europe. Indian research papers published by major journals or Scopus Index conferences also carry DOIs, often through Crossref. High-impact journals often have all their articles DOI assigned, improving indexing, discoverability, and citation count. Inserting DOI-based references adds academic reliability to your research proposals and literature reviews. More than 250 million DOIs have been assigned worldwide, showing its global adoption across disciplines. As scholarly communication evolves, DOIs will support open science, AI-driven discovery, and global knowledge networks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Library Facts. Thank you.